Hey there my friends, today we're going to discuss the conditionals in C. So let me go ahead and pull up this editor, and as you may have noticed, I have created a new file ex18 underscore conditionals.c, and I have added this ahead of time. So I have variables here which has a value of 87. So conditionals are used to perform different computations or actions depending on whether a condition evaluates to true or false. So in this example, the if statement is called a conditional control structure because it executes statements when an expression is true. For this reason, the if is also known as a decision structure. It takes the form like this: if, then the expression, and then the statement. So the expression evaluates to either true or false, and the statement here can be a single statement or a code block enclosed by curly braces. So I'll give you an example. Let me delete this. So it's going to look like something like this: if, and then the expression, which is the score. Let's say score is greater than 75, and then the statement. So printf, you passed. New line. Don't forget to put the semicolon at the end. So let's try to run this by right clicking and compile and run. So as you can see, it is true, so you passed. So if you have multiple statements, make sure to enclose this with a brackets. But since I'm like that, if you have two or more statements like this, just for example, so make sure to put it in inside the curly braces. But since I only have one statement, let me just delete this. Then there's no need for me to use the curly braces. So in this code, we check whether the score variable is greater than 75 and print a message if the condition is true. So if this is true, then this will be printed out. If it's false, then nothing will happen. It will just move on to the next line, which is nothing, since we haven't put another statements in here. So that's it. And before we wrap up, let's test your knowledge. I have here a little exercise for you. So on this tab, as you can see, I have created the variables A and B, which has the values 13 and 12. So I want you to fill in the blanks to compare the variables and print this one, print nice one, to the screen. So fill in the missing piece or missing variables for this to be printed out, for this nice one to be printed out to the screen. So if you know the answer, please put it in the comment section below. Thank you.